Hey everybody, it's your girl Maya here. I am back with another Sisterlock update video. This video today is going to be all about my wash day routine and what I normally do to make sure that my hair is all ready and clean for my retie, which will be tomorrow morning. So I'm a little late because it's like 9 o'clock. So I hope my hair is going to be dry in enough time. But yeah, if you are interested in watching how I wash my hair, make sure you keep watching.
Hey, so I am just taking down this twist. I had my hair kind of like in like a down twisted thing going on, just trying to hide that I was definitely in need of a retie. You can kind of see my hair looks a little dry. It looked like it's time for a wash, y'all. And I just wanted to show you what my hair looks like and my scalp looks like before the wash. As you can see, in some parts it just looks like a little dry. There is some dandruff in there, but you can't really see. Oh, I see it. I see it. Dang, yeah, it's dandruff in there, y'all. Yep, see, I was trying to show you all, but you can't really see that detail. So I want to show you how I treat the dandruff. Now I use a little bit of this apple cider vinegar toner. I mix just a little bit with water, and then I'm just sectioning my hair. Now ignore my funny faces, y'all, because you know that's what happened when you can't see and you're trying to squint and make sure you get it right. So I just took a section of my hair, and I am going to get my rubber bands ready to braid and band my hair. I'm just going to take the toner and concentrate it mostly on my scalp. That is the area where you really want to treat it. Make sure that that scalp is nice and clean and you get rid of that dandruff. So I really make sure I saturate it, kind of run it through my hair a little bit, but mostly concentrating it on the roots. Then I'm just showing you how I loosely braid my locks. Just very loose so that I can still get my fingers underneath there to really massage and break up that buildup that accumulates at the scalp. And it ain't gotta be the cutest braid, girl, now. Come on. Remember, it don't have to be that cute. Just, okay, yep, see? Now I'll show you how my little loose curly ends, we flip those under and we take that little plastic rubber band and secure them. Now I'm just going to massage it a little bit more, and then I'll do one other section. Same thing, spraying it, massaging it, then we're going to braid it. Braid it on up, girl. And as you can see, my color is a mess, y'all. I need to get my hair dyed, but I have to let my locks settle before I dye them. I don't want to mess up the integrity of my locks, so I'm listening to my consultant and I am letting my natural hair just grow out the natural color. Gonna band up those ends again, and yeah, but we do the one side we did all over. So bam, you got your little juju braids. Okay, sis. Come on now. Now I'm just going back with that same apple cider vinegar toner spray and really saturating the scalp area, making sure I use all of it that is in the spray bottle on my scalp. Now I'll go back in and really massage it in. And yes, got that massaged in, sis. So I let it sit for 30 minutes. There you go. I put my little timer on. Now we back. Bam. We gonna do that Sisterlocks shampoo. Put some of that in here. Now that's the green tea one. I'm not using the starter lot shampoo. I mix it with water to dilute it. And bam, hair is washed. We did the same thing basically by just really saturating the sections with the product, and then I showered, so I didn't want to record that for y'all. You see no goodies. Okay, so we are just towel drying the sections. Now I'm going to take them down, and Once I unbraid them, I like to separate my locks while they are wet, which is really important with Sisterlocks. It's not necessarily something that I worried about when I had traditional locks, but with Sisterlocks, you want to make sure that you separate them after you wash them. See, I'm showing you all in detail there. I'm just gently pulling them apart so that each lock stays in her little section to kind of protect my grid. Also keeps locks from intertwining or joining together because we want the little tiny locks. That's why we have Sisterlocks in the first place. So, you know, this part is a little tedious, but I just think of it as like the detangling process with your natural hair. It's pretty similar. I just make sure everything is nice and pulled apart. No hair is together in the locks. Just showing you that wet little section and my little length there. All right, now we done did one whole section of the hair. Bam, there it is. In all her glory. Look at that. Come on, sis. Look at that. Yes. Yes. Come on. Yes. Yes. I was just showing you. Come on. Get in those roots. And look how clean that scalp is, baby. She is clean. And you can still see my grid. Everything is nice and intact. There is no, see how I'm showing you? I wanted to show you that dandruff is gone. You can't really see that much, but I know I was checking different sections and it looks so much better. And I love, look how curly it is. Bam! Ow! Snap them fingers and there's the other side. Okay. Yes, a little slow motion montage. Hair flip for y'all because why not? So yeah, after I have taken down both sides, what I normally do is I want to give you all a texture shot so you can see that my hair is in natural layers. This is just how my Sisterlocks are. This is what they doing, sis. Oh, and I did in one of my previous videos, I did cut my hair. Well, not cut my hair, but I talked about my consultant cutting my hair. So this is how my hair lays now. Kind of like, you know, a little Farrah Fawcett, you know, going on here, where it's shorter in the front, longer in the back. But I'm just towel drying it off to get rid of some extra water. And then I'm using the Sunday to Sunday Root Refresh spray. And I like to just go in with that after I wash to just give my hair that added moisture and refresh, like just make sure everything dries and feels good. So I'm just gonna go in and spray that all over my head and just massage it into the scalp because that's where I'm really focusing most of my attention during my wash is on my scalp. The rest of my hair will be clean. Okay, y'all, so we done let her air dry. And just gonna throw this bonnet on, you know, make sure she out of my earrings and such that I'm about to take off for a bit. And then, bam, going to sleep. Thank y'all for watching.